How to change your avatar in Blox Fruits. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about changing the avatar in the Blox Fruits. So changing your avatar in Blox Fruits is a little different than other Roblox games. And here's how you can easily update your character's appearance. First of all, you need to customize your Roblox avatar. For that, Bloxworks uses your Roblox avatar as a starting point from your in-game look, including accessories, hair, and face. To change it, you need to go to roblox.com and then tap on avatar from the left-hand side of the screen. Customize your avatar by changing clothes, accessories, face, body shape, and more. And then after save your look, now go ahead and simply search for Bloxworks and rejoin it. Then leave Bloxfruits, wait for a few seconds, and rejoin the game. Your character should now have your updated avatar unless it's covered by in-game items or transformations. The things that might hide the parts of your avatar in Bloxfruits are races like human, shark, or angel, transformations from awakened fruits, for example, accessories such as capes or swords, or certain gear, especially in the second or third seas, and special outfits like in marine, or pirate uniforms that you might get during the events. You can also find clothing within the game. You can buy coats and accessories from NPCs like swan glasses or hunter cape and earn gear by defeating the bosses. So these in-game items won't change your Roblox avatar, but it will change how you look in Blox Fruits. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.